Alright, so we're ready to start the day now. We're all suited up. I thought it would be appropriate to show just how cumbersome the clothing has to be, the attire has to be. Minus 13. It's actually very frigid. You know, we were underneath the warm blanket, and thinking, oh, it's not so bad outside. But then once we actually got off the blanket and then we sat around for a while, realized just how extremely cold it is. So we took no chance. We'll be walking around all day. If we're lucky, we'll be able to get a sweat going. So anyway, we're gonna leave the office here now, and we don't know which direction we're going right now. But one thing is, we need to get some food for breakfast, and there's snow on the ground, so we might be able to do some shoveling. Listen, this is Captain speaking. Anyway, we might be able to do some shoveling, and right. Let me just say it again and again and again and again and again, because when I do the minute I press the record button on the camera, I go into acting mode. Understand? I'm not a video person or anything. So if you hear me jumping with this accent and then jumping with that, it's, oh, he's not being real. Well, no. The minute I press the button on the camera, it's gonna be some, anything, right? So if I'm going to accent, whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and get some breakfast. Scrummage around, beg around, I don't know.